We're here at the Crossings at Pinebrook in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some great amenities such as 3 swimming pools, a fitness center, a pickleball court, a clubhouse, and so much more. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. All units feature large living spaces. Right outside, you'll find a covered patio. Going back inside, there's a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a pantry. The bedroom is very spacious and includes a large closet with a washer and dryer, which is so convenient. That leads directly into the bathroom, which connects back out to the living space, so it's perfect for guests as well. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a seating area, a coffee station with a Starbucks machine, a modern fitness center with a peloton, a community kitchen, a business center with computers and a printer, and a secure package room. Outside, you'll find 3 swimming pools, an electric vehicle charging station, and a pickleball court. Click the link below to book your tour.